Yo, what's up guys? If you're trying to make money while you sleep, you're in the right place. In my last video, I broke down 5 passive income streams that can help you build wealth in 2025. But guess what? That was just the beginning. Today, I'm giving you 5 more passive income ideas that can help you earn $1,000 plus per month with little to no upfront investment. Some of these are completely automated, some are beginner-friendly, and number 5, that one is seriously underrated, but people are making insane money from it. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have 10 different ways to start making passive income in 2025. Let's get into it! Alright, first up, we're talking digital products. This is one of the best ways to make passive income because you create something once and sell it over and over again without doing any extra work. Think about it. People are making thousands of dollars per month selling simple things like ebooks, like how to budget and save money, Notion templates. People love these for productivity, planners, worksheets, and guides. And the best part, you don't even need to be a designer. Just use Canva, which is free, make a simple template, and sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. If you want true passive income, this is it. This next one is literally what I'm doing right now. YouTube automation. If you don't want to show your face or record videos yourself, this is for you. Here's how it works. You pick a niche, business, motivation, etc. You hire freelancers to do the script, voiceover, and editing, or do it yourself at first. You upload videos and get paid through AdSense and affiliate links. Some of these faceless YouTube channels are making $10,000 plus per month, and nobody even knows who's behind them. Best part, once a video is uploaded, it can keep making money for years. If you want to start, Pexels has free stock footage, and you can edit with CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Both are free. Now, this one is crazy. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can automate content creation and sell it for big money. I'm talking about writing blog articles and ebooks. People are selling AI-generated ebooks for $10 plus each. Social media content, companies pay hundreds for captions and posts. Automating YouTube scripts. Yep, people are making money just writing scripts for faceless channels. If you list your services on Fiverr or Upwork, you can start making $500 plus per month easy. AI is changing the game, and if you're not taking advantage, you're leaving money on the table. Alright, now let's talk about a passive income method that literally pays you forever. If you've got a decent phone camera, which you do, you can take simple photos and videos, upload them to sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pexels, and boom! You get paid royalties every time someone downloads your content. You don't need crazy professional skills. People are making money just filming nature and city shots, office setups, even recording themselves typing on a keyboard. If you upload 100 plus good clips, you could be making hundreds per month without lifting a finger. Alright, this last one is massive. With print-on-demand (POD), you can sell merch, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, without ever touching inventory. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify let you upload a design, sell products worldwide, earn money without handling shipping, packaging, or customer service. And here's the hack. You don't even need design skills. Just use AI tools like Midjourney to generate artwork and upload it. People are making $10,000 plus per month just selling t-shirts with simple designs. This is one of the easiest online businesses to start with zero upfront cost. Alright guys, that's 5 more passive income streams you can start in 2025. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you haven't seen my last video on 5 other passive income ideas, go watch that next here. You won't want to miss it. If you got value from this video, do me a favor. Like this video, seriously, it helps a lot. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future uploads. Turn on notifications so you're always ahead of the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get this money!